Hi guys! I'm approved. Ngayon ipaprank ko si fiancé. Sabihin ko deny ako. So tingnan natin kung anong sasabihin niya. Tatawagan ko siya. Paprank natin.
Hello.
Hi love.
Hi, sweetheart.
Hello.
Come on.
I'm denied.
No, 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 no.
I'm approved!
You dirty rat. I almost believed you. You're terrible. How can you do that to us? Oh, I love you. Even though you make me mad sometimes. That was not very nice. You almost kept your face long enough. Almost. You look so happy. Oh, happiness.
Yeah, I'm excited to back here because I'm excited to tell you I'm approved. Oh, your internet is not good. You're froze up. You froze up. Okay.
I had my dinner. Oh, she gone again.